Oink oink, students! Professor Piggy here. Today we're talking about something that quietly holds the entire network together. Network cabling. I know. Cables don't sound exciting, but every server, every PC, every wireless access point eventually depends on a cable doing its job correctly. If the cabling is bad, performance is bad. No exceptions. So today, we're focusing only on what the CompTIA A+ exam expects you to know about network cables. Let's start with copper Ethernet cables. Most wired networks use twisted pair copper cabling. Inside the cable are 4 pairs of wires twisted together. The twisting reduces electromagnetic interference and keeps signals clean. There are 2 main types of twisted pair cable. The first is unshielded twisted pair, or UTP. This cable has no additional shielding and relies only on the twists to reduce interference. UTP is the most common Ethernet cable used today. The second type is shielded twisted pair, or STP. STP includes metallic shielding to protect against interference. It's used in environments with a lot of electrical noise. A special subtype of shielded twisted pair is direct burial cable. Direct burial cable is designed to be installed underground. It is waterproof, often gel-filled, and includes a drain wire for grounding. Now, let's talk about cable categories. Cable categories define the minimum performance the cable supports. For the CompTIA A+ exam, these are the ones you must remember. Category 5E supports up to 1 gigabit per second and a maximum distance of 100 meters. Category 6 supports up to 10 gigabits per second. At that speed, unshielded Cat6 supports up to 55 meters. Shielded Cat6 supports up to 100 meters. Category 6A also supports 10 gigabits per second at the full 100-meter distance. For the CompTIA A+ exam, the expected answer is Category 5E, not Category 5. Next are the T568A and T568B wiring standards. These standards define the wire color order inside an Ethernet cable. They differ only in pinout order. There is no performance difference. Both ends of a cable must use the same standard. T568B is more commonly used in the United States. Now, let's move to coaxial cable. Coaxial cable has a single copper conductor, insulation, metallic shielding, and an outer jacket. In networking, coaxial cable is commonly used for cable modems and internet service connections. Next is an important safety concept: Plenum-Rated Cable. Plenum space is the area above drop ceilings used for air circulation. Cables installed in plenum spaces must be plenum-rated. Plenum-rated cables use fire-resistant jackets and produce low smoke and fewer toxic fumes. Plenum rating affects fire safety only. It does not improve network performance. Now, let's talk about fiber optic cables. Fiber optic cables transmit data using light instead of electricity. There are 2 fiber types required for the exam. Single-mode fiber supports long distances and uses a laser light source. It is commonly used for WAN links and long cable runs. Multi-mode fiber supports shorter distances and uses an LED or VCESL light source. It is commonly used inside buildings. Finally, let's cover common network cable connectors. RJ45 connectors are used with Ethernet twisted pair cables. RJ11 connectors are used for telephone lines. F-type connectors are used with coaxial cable. For fiber optics, SC connectors use a push-pull design. LC connectors are smaller and commonly used in modern fiber networks. And that's it. You now understand network cable types, categories, shielding, fiber, and connectors. exactly as the CompTIA A+ exam expects. This is Professor Piggy signing off.